everyone, how are you all? I'm back with my weekly horoscope. This is Himani, my YouTube channel. So, this is weekly horoscope for the week 5th of October till 11th of October. Let's see कि zodiac signs आपको क्या guidance दे रहे हैं. ये रीडिंग मून साइन के बेस पे है. अगर आपको मून साइन नहीं पता है तो आप इसे zodiac sign, western zodiac sign से भी देख सकते हैं. Whatever you resonate with, it's a general reading, but have faith you will definitely resonate with these guidances. I will put down timestamp for all the zodiac signs so you can check your own. And also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you get the video notifications for all the new videos which I upload on my YouTube channel. Also, share this video with your family, friends so that they can also enjoy the guidances and they can plan their coming week because it's a festive month. So definitely you will resonate with these cards. Have faith. Also, for any personalized assistance, I will put down my social media handles and email ID. Do reach out to me if you need any personalized guidance. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. First zodiac sign is Aries, मेष राशि. चलिए देखते हैं मेष राशि के लिए. Okay. So, Aries, for you, the card which I pulled out is the Sun, which means this is a good week for you. Whatever challenges you have faced last week, it is going to get over. The plans that you have been working on will work out perfectly. Amazing ideas that you have in mind will lead to rewards and commendation. So gratitude for the blessings of life. So it is the week for success, financial abundance. So challenges will going to get over and you have lot of abundance in your life during this week. So have gratitude. All the best, Aries. चलिए टॉरस पे चलते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द गाइडेंस फॉर टॉरस. Let's open the card. Okay, Taurus, for you the card is Six of Winter, which means positive changes are on their way. So you must be facing challenges last week or in during the week. So definitely positive changes are on their way. So you will have a welcome relief from all the troubled times which you have faced. So it's going to be a good time ahead. Also, this is the time to move out to new place. So relocation is there, maybe for job purpose or maybe for you know new perspective. I know sometimes relocation and change is very painful because you are stuck with one place and you are quite happy, but changes are always required for peace and happiness in life. Also, some might be traveling for office purpose or for giving interviews if you are looking out for a change. Also, there might be some transition period in your workplace. Maybe you are changing the role or something where which will be a smooth transition. So all the best, Taurus. Chaliye, let us move on to Gemini. Let's see the card for Gemini. Okay, Gemini, for you the card is Queen of Autumn, which means this week you will be very stylish, generous, and very practical towards work. Also, that's what it is saying. Be practical with respect to how you proceed. So as per your career or your relationships, you have to be practical, which is what is important, how you proceed. So you have the ability to make anything beautiful, so make use of it. May be more creative and make a masterpiece. Also, there might be someone who will come to you, who will meet you suddenly, who can help you to make your dreams come true. So open your eyes, universe will give signal, and definitely you will find Gemini someone who can help to make your dream come true. So all the best. Let's move on to Cancer, Kark Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Cancer. Okay, Cancerians, for you, the card which I have pulled out is King of Summer, which means this is the week where you will be very devoted, warm hearted, mature, a romantic partner you will find whom you can trust if you are single. Also, you might be giving advice to someone who comes to you and that advice will be coming through heart, or you will be receiving advice for anything, career, relationship, from someone that will come from heart. Also, this week you might be getting involved in cultural or creative endeavor, maybe in your workplace or maybe in your society. Anywhere you will be involved in culture or creative endeavor, or somebody might have invited you in a creative or cultural event, because festive season is there might be some cultural or creative endeavor. So all the best, Cancer. Let us move on to Leo. Let's see the guidance for Leo. What is the card stored for Leo? Okay. Leo, for you, the card is Three of Winter. I think you might be disappointed. Things are not as per your expectations, or someone has betrayed you. You have the heartbreak, or your relationship is not working, the way you wanted. It's going on a rough phase. So, it is the time to reach out to others for comfort and love. Don't stay alone. I know you might be feeling lonely, someone has betrayed you. So it's the time to reach out to others for comfort and love, who is very close to you, because you will, once you will find someone, who is there for you, who will comfort you, you will grow stronger from the situation. So situation requires to hold hand to some from someone who really care for you. So go ahead and find someone who really means to you, who can comfort you. It can be your brother, it can be your mother, it can be your father, friend, anybody who can support you. It's the time to reach out to them to grow stronger. Sadness will heal with time, situation will heal with time. Don't worry, it's a rough phase, I can understand, but trust me, trust universe, sadness will heal with time. Go ahead and seek support from someone. All the best, Leo. Let us move on to Virgo, Kanya Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Virgo. What is stored for Virgo? Okay. Virgo, for you, the card is Eight of Summer, which means it is the time to find meaningful life, the desire for a more meaningful life. It is the time to move on from the situation, circumstances, or things that are not serving any purpose. Holding on that will not help you in long run. It will only make you sad or disappointed. So it is the time to move on. You have put in your efforts, but things are not moving. So you have to go ahead for a more meaningful life. It's the time to move on. Choose a major life changes. It is very difficult to find the life purpose which can change it, but it is the time to make major life changes in your life. It is the time to move on from the things and situations not serving any purpose. All the best, Virgo. Let us check the guidance for Libra, Tula Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Libra, for you, the card is Eight of Winter, which means you know what it takes if only believe in yourself. So it is the time to believe in yourself. Thinking that you are powerless or you are unable to do anything, you don't have self confidence, then you will not achieve success. You will not achieve what you desire. So it is the time to believe in yourself. It is the time to believe that you have power to achieve success in life, to get what you want in life. Have that self confidence and move ahead to chase your dreams, because you can do it. So you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe that you have power and you can achieve anything what you want. So, all the best, Libra. Okay, let us move on to Scorpio. Vrishchik Rashi. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is Two of Summer, so it's a love time. If you are single, you will fall in love or have a serious commitment with someone. If you are already in relationship, you will have a joyful time. If your relationship is struggling, forgiveness is the resolution to your problem. So forgive and Don't give up. Your relationship will definitely be healed. Forgive and have an open communication. Things will be in your favor. Your relationship will be healed. So it is the time to talk to your partner and sort out the difference. All the best, Scorpio. Let us see the guidance for Sagittarians. Let's see the guidance. Okay. Sagittarians, for you, the card is Prince of Spring, which means this week you are very passionate towards your work or towards your relationship. You are very self confident. You are very charming, but at the same time, you are impatient and restless because you want immediate action to your solutions. So you are running behind to your goals, you are chasing your goals to fulfill it and take immediate action. That's why you are restless. You know how to manage challenges in your life successfully. So go ahead and chase your dreams. Also, you will have a passionate relationship with your partner, intimate relationship with your partner. If you are single, definitely you will find a relationship where you have a very passionate and romantic relationship. So all the best, Sagittarians. Let us go ahead and check the guidance for Capricorn, Makar Rashi. Okay, Capricorns, for you the card is Ace of Spring, which means it is the time to take action towards your goals. If you have your dreams, your goals set, go ahead and take action. Be fearless and pursue your dreams. It is the time to be fearless and happily pursue your cherished dreams. So go ahead and fulfill your dreams. Be fearless, and you, if you are looking out for a career change, you will definitely find amazing career opportunities. So go ahead, chase your dreams, fulfill your dreams, have a successful week ahead. All the best, Capricorn. Let us see the guidance for Aquarius. Let's see what is stored for Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, for you, the card is Four of Autumn, which means this week you need to manage your resources wisely. Have a balance between how you spend and how you save money. Don't overspend and don't oversave, because if you do anything overboard, you will either feel restless or you will feel scarcity. So you have to do a balance in how you spend and how you save money. Also, it is the time to help those who are less fortunate. So go ahead and help others and manage your resources wisely, Aquarius. All the best. So let us see the last zodiac sign guidance, Pisces. Let's see what is stored for Pisces. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is balance. So balance is required in your life this week. So if you have any challenge or any problem and you need solution, take everyone's input into consideration, which is very important. Merge these viewpoints and create a better solution. So if you take everyone's inputs and merge them, you will definitely find a good solution for your problem. This is the best way to find a solution to your problems. Also, it is a time to be patient, take your time, no need to rush out things. Slowly work and go with the flow. Don't rush out, take your time and have a balanced approach. So, all the best, Pisces. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching the video. I hope this week you will have clarity, you will have happiness and prosperity in life. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you next week. Bye.